Imagine sipping on a vibrant, tropical smoothie, bursting with flavors of ripe mangoes, juicy pineapples, and creamy bananas. This isn't just any smoothie, it's a tropical weight loss smoothie. A delightful concoction that marries taste and health in a single glass. The stars of this smoothie are three fruits that are not just delicious, but are also packed with nutrients that support weight loss. First up, we have mangoes, a rich source of dietary fiber that aids digestion and keeps you feeling fuller for longer. Then there are bananas, which are high in potassium and can help maintain a healthy metabolism. Lastly, we have pineapples, a tropical delight that's packed with vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that helps in breaking down proteins and aids in digestion. So, are you ready for a taste of the tropics that doesn't just tantalize your taste buds, but also helps you on your weight loss journey? Now stop imagining and get ready to create this tropical paradise at home. Before we dive into the creation of this tropical delight, gather these essential ingredients. First up, the ripe mango. Packed with vitamins A and C, it's a delectable fruit that not only sweetens the deal but also boosts your immune system. Next, we have the humble banana, a powerhouse of potassium and vitamin B6, adding creaminess to your smoothie and energy to your day. Let's not forget the pineapple, a tangy treat loaded with bromelain, a digestive enzyme that aids in digestion and inflammation. Add a handful of spinach to your basket, a leafy green rich in iron and fiber that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. For hydration and a taste of the tropics, coconut water is your go-to. It's low in calories and high in potassium, making it the perfect liquid base for your smoothie. Lastly, if you're looking for a protein punch, consider adding a scoop of your favorite protein powder. With these ingredients in hand, you're just a blend away from your tropical weight loss smoothie. With your ingredients at the ready, it's time to create your weight loss potion. Our journey begins with the luscious fruits. Start by peeling the ripe bananas and creamy avocados. Once peeled, chop them into chunky pieces, allowing for a smoother blend. Next, slice the sweet pineapple into wedges, releasing its tropical aroma into the air. Once your fruits are prepped, it's time to add them to the blender. Hear the satisfying thud as each piece hits the bottom of the blender. The vibrant colors of the bananas, avocados, and pineapple create a beautiful mosaic, a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. But we're not done yet. It's time to add some green goodness to our tropical concoction. Grab a handful of fresh spinach, letting it cascade into the blender. The spinach not only adds a nutrient boost, but also a touch of vibrancy to our blend. Now, it's time for the final touch, the coconut water. This tropical elixir will not only enhance the flavor, but also provide hydration and essential electrolytes. Pour in a generous amount, watching as it swirls around, enveloping the fruits and spinach. With everything in place, it's time for the magic to happen. Close the lid of the blender and switch it on. Listen to the hum of the blender as it works its magic, transforming the ingredients into a smooth, creamy mixture. Let it blend until there are no chunks left, ensuring a silky smooth texture. Once the blender falls silent, take a moment to appreciate the transformation. From a collection of individual ingredients, you now have a unified blend, a testament to the harmony of flavors that awaits. Pour the smoothie into a glass, noticing the rich, creamy texture. The vibrant green color speaks of health and vitality, a promise of the goodness that lies within. And there you have it, your very own tropical weight loss smoothie, ready to be enjoyed. It's not just a drink, but a celebration of tropical flavors and a step towards a healthier you. So go on, take a sip, and let the tropical magic transport you to a world of wellness and vitality. Now comes the best part, tasting your tropical creation. Imagine this. You've just blended a symphony of tropical fruits, each contributing their own unique color, texture, and flavor to the mix. Now all that's left to do is to dive in. Go ahead, take that first sip. Let the vibrant flavors dance on your palate, awakening your taste buds with the freshness of the tropics. It's a burst of tangy, sweet, and slightly creamy goodness all in one go. It's not just about the taste, though, it's about the experience. The journey of hand-picking every single ingredient, blending them into a concoction that's not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The satisfaction of creating something so refreshing, so healthy, and so downright delicious all by yourself. But wait, don't keep this tropical delight all to yourself. Sharing is caring after all. Why not invite your friends or family to join in on the fun? Let them taste the tropical magic you've whipped up. See their eyes light up as they experience the same burst of flavors you did. The shared joy, the shared experience, it's all part of the fun. And while you're at it, why not share your experience with us too? We'd love to hear how your tropical weight loss smoothie turned out. Did you make any tweaks to the recipe? Did you add a secret ingredient of your own? How did it taste? Don't hold back. Let us in on your tropical smoothie journey. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment below, and hit the bell for more health and wellness inspiration. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Don't forget, every thumbs up, every comment, every subscribe brings us closer together in this journey towards health and wellness. So go on, spread the joy, share the health, and let's make this world a healthier, happier place together.